Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on the application of Chatbot AI Nova. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we search for the Chatbot AI Nova and we click here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search for Chatbot AI Nova. And here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.